Good day. All right, back in the 70s, there was a gentleman named Neil Sedaka, singer songwriter. Um, he was actually in the 60s, also, but it the guy had some incredible hits, and I don't hear them anymore anywhere. So I figured I'd splurge a little and introduce him to you guys. Uh, this song is a really fun song called "Laughter in the Rain."
Strolling along country roads with my baby. It starts to rain, it begins to pour. Without an umbrella, we're soaked to the skin. I feel a shiver run up my spine. I feel the warmth of her hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. After a while we run under a tree. I turn to her and she kisses me. There with the beat of the rain on the leaves, softly she breathes and I close my eyes, sharing our love under stormy skies. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. I feel the warmth of her hand in mine. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and the happy way I feel inside. Ooh, I hear laughter in the rain, walking hand in hand with the one I love. Ooh, how I love the rainy days and
"Laughter in the Rain," Neil Sedaka. Awesome song. Like I said, songs you could sing along to that made all the difference in the world and made your troubles go away, and it was just happy. Just be happy. As I always say, if you want things to change, you have to change. You want things to get better, you have to get better. Asshole or awesome. Best day ever. Sounds pretty cool. You can do 2 for 1.